your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I am bringing you this makeup look, and y'all, this look is so bomb. Like, I'm so happy at the way it came out, and I just haven't had a bomb look like this in a minute. Like, this looks so freaking good. But before we even hop into this video, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you are returning, welcome back. And y'all, I am almost at 100 subscribers. I am 4 subscribers away from 100, and I'm just so thankful. Like, everybody that has subscribed this year, thank you so much. Like, y'all just not ready for 2020. Like, 2020, I ain't playing no games, and that's just period. But before we even hop into this video, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below, and make sure you follow me on my social medias. I'll have them all linked down below. And without further ado, I know y'all are tired of me rambling, so let's get into the video. So first, I'm gonna start off with brows, and I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and prime my eyelids off camera, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what products I'm gonna use. So for brows, I'm gonna be taking my Benefit Brow Styler, and I'm gonna be taking this on the outer part, like the tail of my brow, and then for like the inner part, I'm gonna be taking the NYX Professional Makeup Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. And then to highlight my brow bone, like to cut my brows and to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna be taking the Plouise Bases, and this is in Rumor 3, which is darker shade I'm gonna use to cut my brows. And then I'm gonna take Rumor 1 to actually prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. And also, I already have a brow tutorial out, so I'll link it like somewhere up here in the cards, and I'll put it down below in the description box. So yeah, go watch that if you haven't. Y'all, I don't know what palette I want to go into, because I got my Carnival palette because I'm doing a green look. Because yeah, so I mean, this got a couple green shades in it, but this dark one right here, it's a green, but it's like blue. Like, it's more like a teal type of color. So I want it to be green though. But then I got the Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and it's got a dark green in it. So I think I might go in with this palette, but I don't know, because I also got Juvias. And then this one got 3 different greens in it. This one got a light green too, where I can blend it. So I don't know though. I think I'm gonna take this green right here. This is the shade Sand. So I decided that I'm gonna go in with black first, which is just this shade right here called Lights Out. I'm going with that shade first, and then I'm gonna go in with the green shade just to blend it out. To go into the shade Basic, which is this like muted, it's a little warm, but it's more muted, and it's just a brown. So now let's take my Plouise base in 0, and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm doing a half cut crease, but then I'm gonna take these pigments. So I got a yellow one and a green one. These are neon, and this is the brand. It is an Instagram company, so I'll be sure to like link everything down below. So yeah, but I'm doing a double cut crease, so y'all see, it's gonna be real cute. Decided before I go in with the pigment, which I'm gonna cut it again, I'm about to go in with white right here. And I'm just about to pack this like in the inner part. Y'all see, but yeah. So this white shade isn't pigment enough for me. Like, I need to just go ahead and get the white pigment from Peaches Makeup because I need a white. But I'm about to go into my Mehron face paint palette and take the white out of here. I know it look a little messy because I've been doing some looks, but yeah, I'm gonna take the white out of here and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Sorry if this is kind of like messing with the light or whatever, but let me move this up there. But I'm about to go in and cut my crease one more time because yeah. I don't even know what I was about to say, but yeah, I'm about to cut it one more time and then I'm gonna go in and apply a shimmery shade. So I'll show y'all what shades I'm gonna apply when I get there. So now I'm about to go back into the Juvias Place palette. I never told y'all what palette this was, but this is the Tribe palette, and y'all, this palette is so freaking pretty. Like, I have not showed this palette some love in a minute. But I'm about to take these two shades right here. I'm gonna take this one first, and then I'm gonna go in with this one. So I'm about to go back in with that black and I'm just about to pack that shade on, and I hope the lighting is not changing too much, but y'all, this is a look, like, period. So just to make this lid color pop more, I'm about to take these two pigments. I'm gonna actually mix them, but this one is Rattlesnake from Peaches Makeup. And I'm also going to take the shade Brave from Bare Minerals. I need to get me a wig that fit my head. I need to just make my own. Because I bought this wig and it does not fit my head. So I kind of had to finesse the lace to make it look nice. But I think I did pretty good. Because, I mean, if I got it down, ain't nobody looking at the sides. So, yeah. But anyways, I'm about to go in with some micellar water. And go ahead and clean up all this fallout from on my face. This is why I do my eyes first. Because I like my stuff to be real pigmented. And you're guaranteed to get fallout. Don't nobody want some green under eyes. So, yeah. We're going to go ahead and remove that. Y'all, I am so happy. I am 4 subscribers away from 100, period. But yeah, your girl is so happy and so thankful. So if you subscribe to my channel, I thank you. Like, y'all probably like, girl, 100 subscribers ain't a lot. But I don't care. Because 100 people really sit there and watch. Like, 100 people took the time out to actually hit that subscribe button because they some MVPs, and that's just period. But yeah, if you already subscribed and you watching this, make sure you hit that subscribe button because 2020 we ain't playing and you don't want to miss what's about to go down in 2020, period. So for primer, I'm about to go in with the Milk Makeup Primer, and this is just the Hydro Grip primer, and I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. So for foundation, I'm about to mix the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. This is in the shade 510 Hazelnut, and then I'm gonna go into the Juvias Place Foundation. This is in Punta, Cana 435. Oh, do anybody be having a problem where like in natural lighting or like daylight or whatever, your foundation match perfectly, but when you under your ring lights and stuff, that's when your face look lighter than your body, or like it just don't be matching. Like people be trying to shade match me over the phone. Sis, I know what I'm doing. For concealer, I'm about to go into the Juvias Place concealer, and this is in the shade 18, and then on top of that I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty concealer, and this is in the shade 260. So for powder, I'm taking the TooFaced Born This Way powder. Now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade C8 to set the rest of my face. So now I'm about to go ahead and contour and bronze my face, and for contour I'm be taking the Black Radiance True Complexion powder, and this is in the shades dark to deep, and then I'm gonna be taking the NYX bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. Into my Fenty Beauty powder to cut my contour. So for blush, I'm about to go into my Juvia's Place Saharan 2 palette, or this is Saharan Volume 2. But I'm about to go into this shade right here. So before I go on with highlighter, I'm about to take this Morphe Setting Mist, and for highlighter, I'm be going into this highlighter by Beautiful Goddess Cosmetics, and this is a loose highlighter in the shade Royalty. and do my under eye, and first I'm gonna go in with this Julep eyeliner pencil, and this is in the shade Forest Green Shimmer. And then I'm gonna go in with the same exact shades that I used in my crease minus the black, but I might take a little bit of black just like on the outer part, but not like all the way in. So yeah. So now I'm about to go into these lashes, and these are the Holy Lash Book from Billi Boutique, and I'll be sure to link his page down below because these lashes is so bomb. These are style Wicked. I don't know if I said that, but yeah. So for lips, I got a bunch of glosses, but y'all already know, if you didn't watch a few tutorials, then you already know what lip I'm about to go in with my liner and my lipstick. So for liner, I'm gonna take the Colourpop X Shayla lip liner, and this is in BFF4, and then I'm gonna go into the Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Stripped, and then I'll figure out what gloss I'm gonna wear after. Now I'm about to go in with the Anastasia gloss, and this is in the shade Undressed. Now lastly, I'm about to take this Beauty Bakerie gloss, and this is in the shade Holy Cannoli. So this is the final look. I will be back once I fix my hair and I change my shirts. But yeah, I'm really living for it, like, period. This is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below any suggestions or videos you would like me to do. But y'all, this look came out so freaking bomb. Like, I'm living for it, period. But before we even get out this video, make sure that you hit that subscribe button to become a real MVP and be a part of the winning team, as you should, period. And make sure you follow me on my social medias, because if I'm not on YouTube, more than likely I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. So make sure you follow me, and you already know what your girl is about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. And I will see you guys in my next video.